Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again here, Janela Kish. Today's video, I'm just gonna get ready and a little bit of a tutorial, or I mean, it's not technically a tutorial, but it's like how I do my makeup. So this is my makeup when I do some vlogs. So this is how I do my makeup when I create vlogs for you all. And this is my bare face right now. This video, I'm gonna be talking all of the languages that I know. So if you guys don't understand, I'll put a subtitles down below. Yes. Okay, without further ado, let's get this video started. I always start off with skincare, skin prep. I have here my tiny mirror. Yes, I have upgraded my mirror. This is how I record my videos, by the way. See that in the mirror? That's a window, and that's my phone right there. I'm getting pretty sweaty, guys. This is the reason why I don't like doing my makeup up here. I kind of want to do my vlogs right here because it has a lot of good lighting. This is my skin prep. Oh, that's why I'm sweating because I haven't put on my sunblock yet. So the first thing that I will put is this Lux Organics aloe vera. Yes, it's almost finished. My armpit doesn't smell because of this tawas. Yeah. I am actually looking for a good moisturizer, but for now, I'm just gonna be using this because this one fits me. Yeah, and I'm also gonna be putting a lot of makeup in my face, like foundation, like full face makeup, so I'm gonna be needing a lot of moisturizing. Funny thing, I actually filmed a video of me doing my makeup, and that makeup style was dark makeup, like emo looking, gothic looking makeup. I was supposed to post that on my YouTube channel, but I got lazy on editing it. Good thing that video didn't got into waste. Remember when I mentioned that I have like a major something that it's all about beauty care? So we need a clip of us doing makeup, like step by step makeup, and then we're gonna pick if it's gonna be light makeup or dark makeup. And good thing that video existed, so I just have to edit that out and then send it to my teacher. So yeah, that's a very good coincidence. But still, I haven't posted because I'm not satisfied with the look. And my sunblock is from Hamisan. It's a Elite Baby Cream Tinted Sunscreen. I'm confused about this sunblock because it's a Elite Baby Cream, but it's a tinted sunscreen, and that's what I need. Forgot to mention you all that this is gonna be my accessories, and I'm currently obsessed with earrings right now. I have like five pairs of earrings because I'm really obsessed with earrings right now. And then this is the earrings. One of them is this. This is gonna be the part of my look. I was supposed to film yesterday for like a vlog or something, and then I did not realize that the video recording wasn't this fucking mic wasn't turned on, and I was just yapping and yapping without any audio on the clip. So that's a waste of time. And I also did my makeup there pretty good. I wasted like a whole hours just to film that. And it has no audio, like what the fuck? And I also got this eyeglasses. I don't have any necklace because I'm looking for a choker.
Hey, just working hard so I can please you.
Like a gold choker, and pair it with a long necklace and a choker. Yeah, I'm putting tiny bits of it. Look at how white this is. I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows. I'm not putting on makeup like every day because that shit will ruin my face, bro. What I'm gonna do with my eyebrows is, yeah, just filling it up and then putting on some concealer. This isn't a concealer, this is a foundation, but my concealer are kind of expensive, so I'm gonna go with this one since I'm not using this anymore really. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. There's even a tiny, tiny, tiny hair.
디스커스팅한 냄새가 나요. 아, disgusting shit.
The brush. This is from Ashley, by the way. Ashley Shine. I'm like painting, but it's in my hand. And it's my face. So my concealer right here is from Pink Flash. See, I put tiny bit of this, and it's too much already. Too much. So I'm gonna be using this pink sponge from Pink Flash. Like everything in Pink Flash is pink. Look at that. I'm also gonna be planning on creating a makeup that is good for school air, because school air really hates me and it gives me a very hard time. That is the concealer and my. So I'm gonna put on some foundation, and my foundation is from Pink Flash also. Okay, now I'm gonna put on some setting powder. It is also from Pink Flash. Ta-da! It's from Pink Flash. It's also so little. Ang puti! Para akong bayot. Pangit talaga ng eyebrows ko ngayon. Pangit. Ayaw makisama. Tingnan niyo na yung eyebrows ko. Kakaputang ina. Sorry. Bad word na naman. Okay, next is contour. Ayoko na mag-eyeliner. Kasi nakakabwisit yung eyeliner. Nasisira makeup ko. Nagpapakita kasi sa akin yung eyeliner, guys. Nandito sa basket ko na. Kaya, I said to my eyeliner, kahit gusto ko talaga ng eyeliner, wag na. By the way, I am using this brush. Iba-iba yung brush ko, pero mukhang pareho lang. This one is for the contour. Ito yung parati kong ginagamit sa contour. Into the blending part, etong brush ang gagamitin. Yan, ganyan na lang ang ano ko, guys. Okay na yan. Hindi ko na kasi alam kung paano ito matanggal. Itong ganon na ilong. Ganon. Yan na. Okay na po. Then, maglalagay na lang ako ng highlighter. Kasi, highlighter talaga nagdadala ng bida. Oh my God. Akala ko masisira yung ano ko, palette. Palette? Pagpalit. By the way, yung palette ko for contour is ang pangalan contour, and sira na siya. Alas 3 na, guys. Hindi na ako magsasabi ng mga bad words kasi alas 3 na, nagpapaano na sa akin, nagpapadungog na. Nagpapadungog. Naririnig ko na siya, magpapakabait na ako. Okay, guys. Tapos na siya, guys. Tapos na. Sana all naman yan. Na siya yung highlighter. Gutom na talaga ako. Pero ginagawa ko pa rin tong kagaguhan na to. This is not kagaguhan, by the way. This is kagandahan. Wow. Ang ina talaga. Sorry. Sorry. Oh my God, nakakainis ka talaga. Kakatapos mo lang, nagpapadword na ako. Oh my God, sorry talaga. Hindi talaga to ako. Sino ka dyan? Ano yun? Nagkaka-character crisis na ako, guys. Egg-usal tayo ngayon for today's video. Egg-usal pero walang itlog. Yes. Ganda. Ganda mo, be. Yes. Oh my God, 15 minutes na pala tayo dito. Tapos nasa, ano pa lang, nakaka-engs ha. Ang engs-engs. 15 minutes na pala tayo dito. Tapos i-edit ko pa to. Ang kapoy, baby. Ang hirap. Ito yung pinakaayaw ko sa vlog is yung mag-edit ka. Pero gusto ko yung mag-video ka. Pero mag-edit ka nga talaga. Wala ka ng choice. I mean, ako pala. Sorry. Chicken na na na. Chicken na na na. Send for me. Hey. Oh. Yes, parati ko talagang tinitingnan siya, guys, kung green pa ba yung color. Kasi, pang ina, baka mangyari na naman yung kagahapon. Wala talaga akong mag-vlog nito. God, nakaka-disappoint na, guys. Nadi-disappoint na ako sa sarili ko. Parati kong iniisip na bawal mag-cuss words. Tapos nandito na naman ako. Nagko-cuss words na naman ako kapag iirita ako. Oh my God. Pero kapag naiirita lang naman ako, ha? Kaya huwag niyo akong iritahin. Smile tayo para sa igisal. Meron na naman akong igisal eh. Bakit mag-iigisal pa rin ako? Para na akong addict. Lagyan natin ng neutral color para hindi naman siya mukhang addict talaga na addict. Addict. So, eto yung gagamitin ko. By the way, from Ashley din to. Ashley, kung saan ka man. Hi. Hindi. Hindi, please. Para pa rin akong addict. Actually, what if mag-challenge? Icha-challenge ko sarili ko. Hindi ako magsisay ng any bad words. Okay. Next is curler. And yun na nga. Tapos na tayo. Biglang nawala yung vision ko. Oh my God! Alam mo ba kung ano yung kakaption ko dito? Natural makeup. Natural makeup po siya. This is not me. Who is this? Nai-influensahan na ba talaga ako ng mga kaibigan ko? Ah? Para naman tayong ano yan. Para tayong main girl ng day. Nakabuka yung mata, nakabuka din yung baba. Pati yung kayo guys kapag nagmamaskara kayo tapos hindi niyo maiiwasan yung kahit ano yung gawin mic ko. So kapag hindi niyo maiwasan yung ganito na lang gawin niyo para hot ko. Tingnan. O, diba? Ito siya guys, this lip liner, nabili ko lang to sa mall. Pero cheap lang siya, like 24 pesos. Like it's really tiny for me. 24 pesos is just, piso lang yun sa akin. Wow ha. Copyright na naman ako dito. Copyright. Done blending. So easy to say the words. Ito na naman, another pink flash. Di ba? Like, parang sponsored ako ng pink flash. Pink flash, baka naman. Sponsor mo naman ako, B. O, tingnan mo, ang ganda talaga ng pink flash, guys. Talaga, ang ganda-ganda talaga ng pink flash. Kaya ang ginagamit ko siya, di ba? Masarap yung pink flash. Ito, masarap siya, guys. Ang sarap ng scent niya. Matagal na to, last year pa to, pero hindi ko lang talaga ginagamit. And then, eto siya guys, this is a lip, eto siya, isa siyang lip therapy, pero ginagamit ko siya as lip gloss, ngayon lang, okay? Ang ganda ng lyrics niya, be. Ang ganda-ganda ng lyrics niya. Okay, guys. So, let me just put on my accessories. Oh my God, excited na ako. Oh, diba? Dito maganda yung side ko. Side ko na ganito yung maganda para sa ilong ko. Like, yes! Oh, diba? Sakit kasi. Sakit kasi. Ikaw yung... Maganda din siya pag ganito, we. Like, kinikilig ako sa sarili ko.
Bruh.
Oh, di thumbnail yun, be. Thumbnail yun. Okay, ginagawa ko para sa thumbnail. Ang sarap! Ang sarap, baby! O, diba? Kahit hindi ko alam yung ginagawa ko sa makeup ko, wala akong inspo nito. Iconic ko talaga, B, kasi wala akong inspo.
I just wanna be appreciated. I wanna be appreciated.
Ano nakaka-iconic dun? So, yeah, ang iconic ko talaga kasi walang inspo. Tapos, para siyang naging Y2K makeup because of the accessories. Yes, accessories. Okay guys, so yun lang siya and I hope you enjoyed this video and kung kayo gusto niyo mag-makeup, well, gawin niyo. I mean, nothing's gonna stop my love for you. Okay. Nothing's gonna stop you from doing what you want. But make sure na ano lang, fit lang sa mukha mo kasi baka masira mukha mo tapos ako pa ibe-blame mo like, "Wow ka girl, ikaw yung nag-ano niyan, ikaw lang yung namili ng gagamitin sa mukha mo tapos ako yung ibe-blame mo." Sorry. So, maglagay ka ng moisturizer or anything that will protect you away from the bad germs. Anything that will protect you from damaging your face with all of these makeups kasi I promise guys nakakasira talaga yung makeup.